Why, hello there, and welcome to an undisclosed location in South Carolina. Rayen from Nerdlocations.
Here I am.
Brought me to a special spot, introduced me to a new friend. We got Troy right over here. He's gonna show us something very, very special, especially if you like Jeepers Creepers. The big reveal. There it is. Look at that. Movie history.
Number 2 screen used truck from original Jeepers Creepers movie. It's been extensively restored. When I bought it, it was in such bad shape that you could take your fingers and put them through holes in the side of the truck because it was just so, it had been sitting out in the field sitting out and just thrown away basically. It needed a lot of help when I first got it, but it's put together quite well now.
It's amazing.
Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
He's a car guy. There's some.
We're doing it. We're climbing in. We are in the creeper truck. This is awesome. That's awesome.
Tap the gas pedal just a little bit. There we go.
This is so cool.
Press that little button right beside the choke.
Which one? This
choke.
one?
There you go. Press it, let it go.
That's so cool. I'm gonna be eating you.
So cool. Awesome.
So Troy, how did you come across this?
Well, in 2006, I'd actually acquired a replica truck. Just the cab part you see here. From here up, I had a truck that was like, that I was going to turn into a replica truck. And I was trying to find some type of way to, some type of template to build the truck. And I located this truck up in Elkton, Maryland. So I got in contact with the owner, and I ended up working it out. In 2007, I drove to Elkton, Maryland, just so I could see the truck. And we took a bunch of video and pictures, and a lot of the pictures ended up on a lot of horror channels and stuff, because they were like, well, this is Jonathan Breck with the creeper truck. I'm like, no, that's me. Like, there's a meme out there that says your Uber driver's here, and it has a picture of the creeper standing next to the truck. Everybody swears up and down that's Jonathan Breck. That's me. I've had bunches of people ask about it. It was pretty funny, but I took ownership of the truck on November 2nd, 2018 at 5:45 in the morning.
5:45.
5:45 in the morning. We drove all night to get it. Now, just a story of the couple of days, but I've never had anxiety in my life till I started getting ready to get this truck. It hit me, I guess the best way to describe it is whenever you're a little kid thinking about the night before Christmas, that magnitude by 100, that's about how I felt that night. But a couple of days, I had everything lined up. I had a trailer set up to haul the truck, and I had a truck to use to haul, and the truck that I was going to use blew up. So at the last second, a childhood buddy and his dad come up, and we used his truck, hooked up the trailer, rolled up there and got it and brought it back. But yeah, it's been a labor of love, because I've took this thing apart and put it back together multiple times.
That is awesome. Awesome. Well worth it.
Where can people find you online, Troy?
So I have several different social media outlets, but the biggest thing is everything is The Creeper's Truck. Instagram, The Creeper's Truck. TikTok, The Creeper's Truck. YouTube, The Creeper's Truck. Now, the YouTube will have the most content. I've got close to 100 videos, and one video in particular is how it all began. In that video, it talks in great detail about how I got involved with Jeepers Creepers and the franchise, and then befriending some of the actors involved with it. And if you're really interested in it, that channel's got some really cool content. There's another video, it's about 20 minutes of actual Jonathan Breck being reunited with the truck. He comes up, talks around, talks about things that he did, and then he acts out he jumps up and gets off of it like he does in a couple of scenes in Jeepers Creepers 3. So it's a lot of information if you're a big Jeepers Creepers fan.
Nice.
That is awesome. Truly awesome.
And if you're also interested, next month, September 2023, it'll be September 16th and 17th. I'm going to be at Hampton, Virginia. I'll be at a horror con up there called Haunted Screams Expo 2023. And I will have Jonathan Breck with me at the truck the entire weekend. Well, it'll be Saturday and Sunday. But that's the next big thing I've got coming up right now. So if you'd like to see the truck, I'll be up there.
That's exciting. Very exciting.
Will you be in costume?
Be in costume. I'll bag you up. Like I said, I've got a couple of different interesting things. Whenever I'm up at the conventions and stuff, I'll be in full costume, and I'll act like I'm going to hit you with the axe, or I'll do a sniff test on you, where in Jeepers Creepers 1, you see the creeper grab Giselle, which was the psychic lady, and he pulls her head back and sniffs her. I do that in the picture, and just the fans love it. And then I've actually got a gigantic bag that I will bag you up, cinch it up around your throat, and simulate throwing you in the back of the truck. I don't put people in the back of the truck because all the props in the back of the truck are real, and I don't want you to get your head cut open.
Yeah, don't want that. Here's Troy's information. He's on YouTube, Instagram, and his email as well. Check him out. JCreeper118, The Creeper's Truck. Thanks again, Troy. And there you have it, the creeper truck. That is amazing, like absolutely phenomenal. Thank you, Troy.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Rayen. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, travel videos, and random things like this from time to time. And until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.